Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how I did these knotless braids on my hair. I did it myself. It wasn't hard at all. I will be showing you guys the process. I don't want to talk too long. I want to get straight into this video. Enjoy, give it a thumbs up. Leave in the comments if you want to see me do another video. Do you have another tutorial? Any ideas? Leave a comment right below. Shine and Jam. This is my favorite. A pointy rat tail comb. What I'm doing here is I'm unevening the hair because if you leave the hair blunt, it will loose out and it will not lock at the end. You don't want your braids to loose out, so I'm going to pull on it gently to take away the blunt cut. I'm going to part my hair using my pointy rat tail comb. A very important tip in doing a knotless braid is to start with your real hair. Add a tiny portion of extension based on how thick you want your braid to be in the end. I want my braids to be small, not thick, so I will only take a little piece off. It's very important to remember the previous size so that your braids will be equal and that you would have the same amount of extensions added to every box braid. Going around, bring this one to the middle, bring this one to the middle. I'm just carrying the ends to the middle. That's all I'm doing, carrying the ends to the middle. Using the technique that I showed of doing a 3-strand braid. This time without any extensions, you will start with your real hair. After taking both ends to the middle at least once, then you can start by adding your first piece of extension. The tiny piece of extension that I took off in the beginning, I split that into 3 extensions, adding the smallest piece first. Now I am adding the second piece of extension. The reason why I did not add the full extension all at one time is because you want to create a knotless look. You don't want to add everything all at one time. Before adding a piece of extension, I take both ends to the middle at least twice. I receive the piece of extension using my pointing finger, the finger that is next to your thumb. Continue braiding straight to the end. Do you see how knotless this braid is? To have a tight finishing look, I love to do my ends underhand. Leave in the comments if I should do a video showing the difference in underhand and overhand braiding. Notice I split my hair into 3 sections, and then I take the end to the middle and I take the other end to the middle. This is how you do a 3-strand braid. With my pointing finger, I will receive my first piece of extension. Notice how I continue braiding without adding extensions right after the other. You do not want your braid to be big. You want a knotless look. Remember how we divided the hair into 3 strands? Always try to add each extension on a different strand of hair, that your hair may be even. The piece of extension that I've taken now, I am dividing it into 4 parts. that my braid will be knotless. Repeat the same steps that I told you before. Divide here into 3 parts. Start the braid without the extension. Remember, I told you to add a piece of extension on the 3 different strands. Do not put all of the added extensions on one strand. Here you can see that this strand needs a piece of extension. This is why I said to add each extension on a separate strand, that your braid may be full in the end. Where is the box? Where is the knot? This is a knotless braid. I want to show you guys different hairstyles you can do with these knotless braids. My hair feels so free. Do you know that tight feeling when you get some box braids and you cannot even move your neck to the left or to the right? None of that feeling. This is just one of the many advantages in having knotless braids. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys soon.